Hello everyone, in this video we will be seeing how to use different types of selection tools. So we will start working on the experiment. First is we need a background. So click on file, open and select the background scenery. So on this image we will be inserting different types of images using the different selection tools. So let us take the first image. For that click on file, open. First we will be taking an aeroplane. So over here we will be making use of our magic wand tool. So our magic wand tool, it selects area based on similar pixel values. Okay, so let's see how it will work. So click over here. So see, almost the entire blue section has been selected on one click. Only this part over here is not selected. So all we have to do is press shift on our keyboard and then go on clicking the extra part which is not been selected. So only in 3 clicks our entire background is selected. But what do we want? We want our aeroplane to be selected, not the background. So right click on this, right click on this and then say select inverse. So now background is selected. When you click on select inverse, the aeroplane will be selected. Using move tool, just drag it and place it on the image where we want it. Resize as the aeroplane is looking too big as compared to the background. Okay, so let us make it small. We will just tilt it a little bit to show it is moving on towards the top. So this is how we have placed our first image. Okay, so this was the use of magic wand tool. When there is a similar type of colors or similar type of pixels in the background, always make use of magic wand tool. So let us close this image, it is not required now. Let us see how we can make use of second type of selection tool. For that, let us select and open another image. So we have an image which has different shades in the background. So for that we will make use of magnetic lasso tool. Magnetic lasso tool, it will help us to customize our selection. It is a freehand selection tool. Okay, so just click on this and start selecting the object. So click and then just move your cursor. So automatically, depending on the color variations, it will go on selecting your object. See, now it's come down over here. So if we want it to select, just go on clicking. If there are similar colors, it will not select properly. So just a small click is required in such portions. So over here also it's come inside. So by mistake, if it is selected, you can always press backspace and move your cursor a bit behind so that the selection is undone. In such portions you can always click a little bit so that the selection is done properly. All you need is patience when you are selecting it. Okay, so once you are done with the selection part, you will get a dotted line over here like this. Using move tool, or what you can do is just click on edit and say copy, and then using move tool just drag this. I have made use of copy, so sorry. You have copied the image, then click on edit and say paste, so that image will be pasted. You can resize the image and also you can flip the image. So from left to right also you can take that image. Okay, you can just place it over here somewhere. Place it over here. Then just click on the tick mark so that the changes are applied. So two types of selection tool is done, that is magnetic magnetic wand tool and magnetic lasso tool. So now we will be seeing the third type. We will just close this image which is not required. We will open our third image. So we will take ducks. So over here there are lot of color variation. We can also make use of magnetic lasso tool for easy selection. But there is one more easy method, that is quick selection tool. This selects the portion which you have selected. Okay, so all you have to do is just go on clicking. So it will go on selecting. I have not pressed any button on my keyboard. Okay, all you have to do is just go on clicking and selecting the part which is required. So within few clicks all the part which is required will be selected. So over here we have selected the entire duck which we wanted. Now the same method, that is right click, copy, no, edit, copy, or you can also press Ctrl C and Ctrl V on your keyboard and the ducks will be copied. Okay. The ducks are too big, so we will just resize them, and before resizing them to the actual position, see some unwanted part has appeared over here which we don't require. So what we can do is just make use of eraser tool, apply the changes, make use of eraser tool and just click over here so that the unwanted part of our eraser, unwanted part of our duck can be deleted. Okay. Then using marquee tool again, using move tool again, you can resize it and place it in the water. Like this. So these are the three different ways in which you can make use of selection tool. Thank you for watching.